Valentine's Day seems like the perfect excuse to use this Crayola card making kit. Now you know you're off to a pretty bad start when you haven't even used the product yet and you're already disappointed.
Let me explain very quickly by showing you one image. Are you ready?
I'm not ready. Now this isn't even Crayola's fault. This is what we get for being British, having to import Crayola products from America. So imagine our horror when we paid $50 for this, and this arrived? $50? Look, my hand's bigger than this.
I really thought it was going to be bigger than that.
That's what she said. Now this is a throwback. We've been wanting to make Valentine's cards for each other, sort of as like a tribute throwback for a Valentine's video we did nearly 10 years ago now.
This is why you need one of those cute little scoring things to properly be a card maker.
It's folding a piece of paper in half.
It's hard.
This isn't advanced card making.
Do you ever look at something and you're just disappointed? Oh my god, I sound like my mother. You might notice this is quite a modern Crayola kit compared to the one that we did last week because it's got the Hallmark logo on. And in case you didn't know, Hallmark are the guys that actually own Crayola these days.
Yeah, because it used to be Binny and Smith back in the olden days.
Come back, Binny and Smith. Oh my god, you healed me in the last video. It says, Kids Card Kit. Create your masterpiece on a card, insert using your favourite Crayola products. So they're expecting you to use more than these. Slide your decorated card insert into the card pocket inside and add a personal message.
We're going to make something really romantic for each other.
Oh Christ, what we got here? Pipsqueaks! What's that? Are they named? Yes, they are.
Are they?
Yeah, they are
it's
named.
It's rare that the name markers.
Blue Sky, Inchworm Green, Mandarin Orange, and Popsicle Pink.
Ooh.
Actually, some imaginative names, and they're quite pastel-y. What do you guys think?
The blue isn't very pastel, and the orange isn't very... Maybe the pink could pass as pastel.
Okay, I'm colourblind, and they look pastel to me. Right, let's take it out, because this is just packaging. This is useless. So go get it away. We have cards.
If you open that one, there's something strange inside.
What's inside this?
It's the notification bell.
Why not celebrate by hitting that bell? It's his only purpose. But yes, we've got a balloon.
Another balloon.
A balloon.
Oh, that's very romantic. Okay. Ooh. Valentines.
It's reflective as well, isn't that nice? Cupcake.
Cupcake. Thank you. Thank you for loving me.
Oh my god, that's it! These are the inserts where you create your masterpiece. I would have thought you were supposed to create it on here, where the message would be. But what the set wants you to do is to create a masterpiece and slide it in here.
This would probably show it a bit better.
Let me just jam it in there. See? And then you've got like your design shot. That's actually very cute. And as a result, I really want to do the heart one. And it has two, so it's perfect. We can do one each if you want.
And then we can swap them with each other and we can reveal.
We can exchange them at the end.
Yes.
Oh, romance! You're in for a surprise because I am the romance king. I've got to score him a brownie point though, hun, because on these little inserts, it tells you where to fill it in. It says fill in this panel with your favourite Crayola products to add colour to the front of this card. And it gives you like a border. So as long as you work within the border, you'll get like a really nice like coloured in card. I actually think that's a good idea, so I got to give him points for that.
I've put my insert into here.
Oh, it's already inside,
and
yeah?
What I was thinking is that I can use like my pencil to get like a rough border of whereabouts
where it'll be.
The image will be, and then I can take it out and draw exactly where the heart frame is. I would have done that like much further to the other side. It's actually quite...
Oh my god! Points deducted, it's not even centered.
Hi art friends, welcome to the Floor of Reflection. Did you guys know that our channel is funded through Patreon, and that's the reason why we're able to still make videos to this very day. So if you want to see more videos, subscribe for one, duh. And also consider supporting us on Patreon so we can bring you even more snazzy videos.
That's a photograph of glitter, they've done this before! I'd recognise that Photoshop glitter anywhere. That's not real! Guys, don't stand for this. This is lies.
Are you still upset about that?
Yes, because it won't look like that. Now, being the king of romance, I've already got an idea. I have sketched out the same thing that Steph did. I outlined it using the actual card itself here. just to make sure that it's centered, because I want there to be like a coloured in message in the heart on mine, and then obviously have a message inside as well. Oh, it's a banger. She's gonna love it. I did forget to show this too, but just look how cute the little envelopes are. I love that they have like a from and a to and like a little fake stamp thing. Oh, those adorable.
Could you share that again, what you just said to me off
I'm
camera?
a bit embarrassed. I got very excited off camera just now, and I said, can you film me colouring this heart yellow? She's advised to me that this is in fact green.
We don't actually have a yellow in this set.
I went through the markers, we don't even have a yellow.
Yeah, you read all the colour names. It's like ruined Valentines.
It ruined my idea. I'm very curious to see how good the markers are of colours.
Yeah, I don't think we actually get these Pipsqueak markers in the UK, so it's interesting actually seeing them up close.
CRAYOLA are water-based markers, so you're going to get some streaks, unfortunately, but that's okay. Actually, no, it's not okay. This set cost us $50.
I still need to think what I'm going to draw on mine. I can't believe you're already colouring it in.
Honey, I'm the king of romance. This is what I do.
You know, apparently this kit actually costs about $14.
Oh, look at that. It doesn't even bled through.
Okay, he's impressed. He's impressed.
It's alright, that's pretty good going. I think it's God giving me a break because we paid $50 for this. I could eat for a week for $50.
No, that's really good paper. Get off.
I'm under a lot of pressure right now to make a really nice card.
Yeah, make it thoughtful.
I came in with 0 thoughts and I'm trying my best to make it really thoughtful.
Okay, good.
So, I really hope that you'll appreciate the amount of effort that I'm putting into this.
No pressure, we've been together like 12 years, so...
So far, I don't think I'll be able to use any of these colours.
Oh my god, for real! I've been using, so far, these are all I've used! Are you for real?
We'll figure something out.
We buddy better, this is Valentine's Day.
Very thoughtful.
Oh, okay, I'll let you off. It's a secret I can't see, look. It's all hidden away. Do you want to see mine so far, guys? I don't mind sharing you mine. I haven't done the inside yet, but you gotta admit, the front goes pretty hard.
Okay, I'm hiding behind this table over here.
I can't
And
see.
I've gone kind of unorthodox for mine. I wonder if you guys will even know who this is.
I can't. Oh, that sounds so interesting. And I can't see it.
And if I'm going to colour it in, because I do have 4 CRAYOLA
Well,
markers.
you've got 3 at the minute because I've lost one.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Alright guys, the time has come. Her eyes are closed so she can't see this, so just drink this in, because this is what she's gonna see first. Right, so I'm gonna put this in front of Steph like this. And I'm gonna come up here, and I'm ready. What's that in front of you, honey? You better have a look.
Oh, let's see. From the King of Romance. One kiss with tongue. Did you draw that tongue on? Or did it...
No, the tongue's already on it.
Oh, okay.
I'm not that filthy, oh my gosh.
Postage paid, $50. Love mail. Caution, sealed with love.
Oh yeah, let me show him that.
It looks like saliva. It's also
No, I said that's love. I was going to say love juice. No, that's love. That's love. It's the love radiating off the card. Now these guys on camera as well, you guys watching at home, don't know what I've put inside it. They've seen the front, but they haven't seen what's inside, and I want your reaction of it too. What was that face? Oh my god!
CRAYOLA.
I thought that was pretty good.
Okay.
Okay, open it. What does it say?
To Steph, happy Valentine's. Lucky for you, I love you more than the $50 this cake costs. Let me know. Thank you.
I think I did a pretty good job considering I was only allowed to use these markers. What do you guys think? Like I say, guys, it's always a good Valentine if you've got them smiling. And I think I managed to make this one smile. Oh yeah, I wrote this on the
For
back.
you by the King of Rome. Okay, I'm gonna put a lot less thought into what I'm writing inside mine.
Oh my god, are you for real? No! Honey, women would kill for this. This is good. CRAYOLA. Guys, what do you think? Do you think this is a good card? Look at her, she's furious. Do you think this is a good card? I think this goes pretty hard. What do you guys think? I tell you, I'm waiting in bated breath now for how good your one is then, apparently. What's going on? Oh, God, what are you doing? Oh, you're sealing it shut? I thought you were showing me your tongue. Is it ready? Can I open it? Do you want to switch places?
Yeah, we'll have to switch places.
Okay, before I show Adam the card, I'll show you guys sneakily what the envelope's looking like.
Let me tell you, I'm ready for this. Apparently mine was such a major disappointment. I'm ready to be shown how good this is meant to be.
Mine's super romantic.
Okay.
And then on the back, I've customised it.
I've customised it.
Okay, let me get ready to send this to you.
Ready? From Stephanie to Mr. No, you've never called me that in my life! Bomic for men! I'm a bit nervous at Valentine's Day now.
Adam doesn't even like soccer.
Oh, I was thinking of a different kind of balls.
It was meant to be a football.
Right, let's get it. Oh, it's still wet.
That's true love's kiss.
Really slobbered on this one. But it's very cute. But I do have to say for the record, she grimaced at my card, and I've never been called Mr. Snuggle.
I wanted to make it romantic.
Oh, okay. Oh my god! Damn. That's worse than mine, an angry beaver saying damn. No! You can't say that!
Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
Are you for real? You make my beaver angry. Did you see that? We better be talking about this angry. I tell you, she's never said that before either. Oh my god! The artwork's cute though. That's very sweet.
I think you've only mentioned the angry beavers like once
Well,
to
we've
me.
known each other for like 12 years. Well, 12 years plus, right? And I don't think we've ever talked about the angry beavers. Or how angry they make you. Ever. Interesting, though. If you want to see what we did for Valentine's over a decade ago, make sure to check out that video. It'll be a right throwback. And don't forget to like and subscribe so we can see you for more angry beaver goodness.
We also have a CRAYOLA playlist if you want to watch
Oh yeah,
more
watch
videos.
that as well.